Hi, I'm Ian from Plains TV. We're here at Duxford. We've been here for the last 3 days recording for the VE Day Anniversary Airshow, or more specifically the DVD and Blu-ray, which you can order from plainstv.com. And if you do that before June 1st, we'll also give you a free DVD. That's Airshow Action 8, featuring lots of highlights from our recent airshows. There's a Blenheim and Spitfire video already up online, which was a personal highlight for me. We've been live mixing this weekend, but not live streaming. That's to help us speed up the production of our DVDs, which is something that's really important to me anyway, and probably to you if you've ever waited for one of our DVDs. If you want to be kept up to date with where we're live broadcasting and our DVDs and Blu-rays that are out for release, make sure you like us on Facebook and Twitter. We're also on Google+, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. So if you're here at Duxford, we hope you enjoyed the show. If you weren't, make sure to pick up a copy of the DVD and Blu-ray. In the meantime, here's 60 seconds of the highlights.